Меня ищут копы, но им меня не найти.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake. Cause I don't fucking care at all. You've been out all night, I don't know where you've been. You're slurring all your words, not making any sense. But I don't fucking care at all. Cause I'm only a fool for you, but maybe you're too good for me. I'm only a fool for you, but maybe you're too good for me.
Ayy, ayy, foot on the gas, living too fast, whoa. It's not where you been, nah, boy, where you at? Don't tell me relax, nah, I keep it a stack, yeah. You said you got me, no, I watch my own back, ayy. Yeah, shawty saying I'm a player, but I do not play, ayy, ayy. Yeah, me, I've been chasing the check since he dropped, ayy, babe. Hurricane Chris, yeah. What did I miss, man? Not much, still getting to the bands. Don't ask, I don't wanna be friends. Talking like you lit a G code till you get hit with the Rico. Yeah, the street code got your heat though.
Ride around in my whip, told you got it flipped, yeah. Trust that I won't do shit, I've used up all my attempts, yeah. Don't give a fuck and I know you're gonna be a no-show, yeah. Hanging out with them hoses, yo, pick your mind as well pose, yeah. You got my mind messed up, look in my eyes and fess up. Do you want this relationship with me? Abandon the ship or should I sink? Not your brother, your dude, or your homie. More than the I might just go psycho. Too many drunk white hoes. I might just go psycho. Too many drunk white hoes. Said I won't, but I might though. Walking on a tightrope. I do it just in spite though. Backwards got my eyes low. I might just go psycho. Backwards have my eyes low. I just left in the Porsche, I'm moving too fast, I cannot slow it down. On my way to the morgue, I'm dying young if I don't slow it down. Too much cash in the bag, I'm burning it all, nothing can stop me now. Gave you one more chance, you lost that shit and
April Fool!
Hey, shout out Temek, shout out Kamikaze,
Oh, that fuck shit.
shout out Dente, you know what you do to my drink?
You what? Nick Nack, Patty Whack, give a dog a bone that was taking out your back. Hit your motherfucking dome when I look into your eyes. I know you're not able to last. With the two,
You
with the four,
what?
Smoking on the get a green on the scene with the lean. And my team got a beam, it's a dream. I achieved Dolphin, can I strip against the cream? I side on the key, 2020 on the scene. She got the meds on her back. Ask for the 100 and cash. He gonna let his tongue lash. She gonna give him a rash. I'm gonna get inside of an X-Wing and go to the Space Needle. I be smoking on OG, yeah, this for me, it's medicinal. Achoo, motherfucker gotta sneeze, gotta take one puff. When it hits my brain, I do feel love. When it hits you, you go swear it's stuck. Drifting in the rain, I'm on that funky town shit. Back wheel drive, I'ma tell you I'm not gonna quit. Popo, come to the front door, get to the back, to the back, to the back, to the back. Hold up in the Beamer, go around the block, take a lap, take a lap. I am an addict and it is fantastic, I can't get enough of them sandy cheeks. Sandy freak, sandy freak. One more blunt, her panties breach. Go down to the beach that is right next to.
yeah, no. to the spotlight. I can take you for the day life. I can take your pain and I. Let me take you to the spotlight. I can take you to the spotlight, spotlight. I can get you out of your damn mind, damn mind. I can get you out of this damn life, damn life. Go back to the store where we had it all, sipping Hennessy, going through it all. I know you don't want love. Now I know you've had enough. Heartbroken, yeah, your strings are sprung. They want you, said they were the one. Oh, let me take you to the spotlight. I can take you to the spotlight. I can take away your damn mind. Let me take you to the spotlight, spotlight. I can get you out of your damn mind, damn mind. I can get you out of this damn life, damn life. Go back to the store. What's up? No.
Hey, Elay, you counting up?
All she want is love, but she know that love hurts. No telling about what it was if we both put in the work. This shit ain't built on trust, and I trust, but I still lurk. When you get it out the mud on my name, you can't throw no dirt. I wear my heart on my sleeve, girl. Promise me you'll never leave, girl. I'm wide awake, but you the girl of my dreams. You thought I just like the rest, but girl, it ain't what it seems. Don't focus on anybody but you and me. Got through all the fighting, they know we the ones to be. So insecure how the next who made it feel worthless. She still get up in a bag, no Birkins. She won't quit if it seem like it ain't working. Even if we weren't friends, she don't let her words bend. She stand on all 10 toes, shorty a real rider. Ain't gotta tell her what it is, I'm finna be about it. Got her smoking on loud, but I beat her back and she even louder. She don't tell me she love me, I'm finna eat it out of. I got so many problems, but she helped me narrow my vision. She got on my nervous scholar, I got a heart of ambition.